There are so many companies that keep asking you for 3 years experience, 5 years experience, 7 years experience. Kilo day, for crying out loud. You're talking to a fresh tomato graduate. Oh God, oh no, God. I'm just laughing. This thing is difficult. This thing is hard. Do you get? But at the end of the whole day, you have to be strong. Be strong. Nothing can shake us by God's grace. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Iyanu Okpeyemi. Please click on the subscribe button, like my video, share my video, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. You know the vibes. So in today's video, I am about to spill the gist. Life after school. What they don't tell you about life after school. Okay? So please, I think you want to keep watching, because I'm about to spill the whole gist. So I feel like life after school is a course everybody is going to take. Immediately you're done with school, you are going to take this course. Whether you like it or not, it's like a general course that everybody is going to take. And you know, a situation where you're taking a course, if you don't pass the course, you carry it over, which means you failed. That is how life after school is. Whether you like it or not, you have to pass. So you know how some people read to pass a course, and you know how some people just glance through their notes to pass a course, and you know how some people get the whole idea of the course in class. That is how life after school is. For some people, job is waiting for them. Why for some people, they have connections in order to get the job. Why for some people, they are going to struggle in order to get the job. May God make it easy for everybody, but it is hard. Just understand the whole concept and deal with it. Period. So life after school is a bit tough. Not everybody has it all figured out. I mean, it comes with a whole lot of things. Be ready for acceptance. Be ready for rejection. Be ready for disappointment. You know, it comes with a whole lot of things. Like, you find yourself doing things you don't even imagine yourself to do while you were in school, and it's so very difficult. Honestly, it's not even funny. Guys, it's not even funny. It's really not funny. Guys, it's not even funny. Let's just not laugh about this, okay? But you know, life is not hard. It is hard, but just trying to be dramatic, okay? But life after school is a different ball game on its own. Like I said earlier on, so many people have jobs waiting for them. So many people have connections to get the job, and so many people they don't even have any of those things. But at the end of the day, you just have to be patient and pray to God. Disclaimer. This video is not to make you sad, it's not to make you depressed, it's not to make you down. I just want to share my thoughts on what I feel. I am an engineering graduate, and this is my 4th month after school, and I can tell you how draining it is. Just barely 4 months after school. I know how many CVs I've written. I know how many companies have rejected my CV. And I know how many interviews I've gone for. And I know how many people told me they will get back to me, and they don't get back to me. You people, hey. God. So I'm just trying to share with you what I feel, and like I said, it cannot be the same thing for everybody. So after school, you are most likely not to go for your NYSC immediately, because not everybody can go. It has to be in batch. So if you are from a home whereby you're still getting money from home, you might not really be affected by this whole life after school of a thing. You might really be affected, but you might not really be affected. I don't know if you get that point. If you're from a home like mine where you might likely not get anything from home anymore, you might want to consider getting a job, you might want to consider doing online business, whatever online business you want to do. You might want to consider getting a skill, or if you already have a skill, you might want to you might want to utilize it. So mind you, getting a job after school can be really difficult because you don't have NYSC certificates. So many companies will tell you, oh, you don't have NYSC certificate, they cannot employ you. And I don't blame them, because they have this idea of you're going to be around just for the main time, and then when you're not going for your NYSC, they don't know where they will post you. They might post you to Taraba, they might post you to Jalingo, and then they'll have to start looking for someone else to they'll have to start looking for someone else to replace your role. So I don't really blame them, but then I still blame them. So another reason is experience, job experience. There are so many companies that keep asking you for 3 years experience, 5 years experience, 7 years experience. Kilo D, for crying out loud. You're talking to a fresh tomato graduate. Oh God, oh no, God. I'm just laughing. This thing is difficult. This thing is hard. Do you get? But at the end of the whole day, you have to be strong. Be strong. Nothing can shake us by God's grace. So if you're still in school, lucky you, because immediately you finish school like this, you're about to face reality. You're about to come and face reality. If you're in school and you can gather the whole money you can gather, you can collect money from your parents, and then keep one place. I don't know, I don't care. If you are in school and you can do all this, please do it. I don't say she gonna steal money, I don't say she gonna scam your parents, but you can just try and gather money before you finish. So if you're still in school, you might want to consider 1 or 2 things I'm about to say, 1 or 2 advice that I'm about to dish out. So if you're still in school, you might want to consider getting a skill. You might want to consider doing online business. Just find something doing to bring money to you. When I mean find something doing, find legit things to do and make money. So another thing you want to consider doing is start preparing your CV. That is the most important thing. Start preparing your CV. You never can tell. You might not even have the intention of doing a 9-to-5 job, and it might just come to you and they are requesting for your CV, and you're telling them you don't have CV. So just try and get your CV ready. Do you get? And above all, pray. Above all, pray and believe in God. Believe in the process. It's a process, it's a step-by-step thing, and I hope and I pray everybody accomplish their dreams. I hope and I pray everybody find themselves. I hope we all find ourselves in a better position, and that is that. What else? Mind you, your month of CWES, your month of industrial training does not add to your experience. Me, that when I was doing my industrial training, I tried building my experience to 1 year, so that when I'm out of school, I can at least boast of 1 year experience. My dear, see, it's 0 experience like this. It is 0 experience. Your experience starts from the moment you finished school. And for some companies, they'll even tell you your NYSC experience is out of it. For some companies, not all, but for some companies, they'll tell you 3 years experience post NYSC. I've seen a job description like that. I mean, a job requirements like that. 3 years post NYSC. All this is not just making sense to me, honestly. But at the end of the day, we're all going to be fine. By God's grace, we're all going to be fine. So I just feel like let me just share what I feel, my thoughts. A lot of people are not talking about this. I checked whatever I can see about life after school, what can be done, that kind of thing. But man, at the end of the day, nobody has it all figured out. That's just it. And I rest my case. So we have come to the end of today's video, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope I didn't put you in a place of depression. I hope I didn't put you in a place where you have to feel like you're not getting it. No, what I just tried doing was just to share my thoughts and what I see about this life after school routine, and to get people that are also about to finish school, to get them prepared for the reality. I think that's the word. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in my next video. Bye.